Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Dan Stein. Many of you have asked how to use CBD oil for pain. Well, there's four things I believe you need to consider. Number one, how many milligrams or what is the dose you're going to take? Number two is how are you going to take your CBD, either as an edible to swallow or topical or liquid under the tongue. Number three, how often each day do you want to take CBD or need to take it? And of course, fourth, how long of a period do you need the therapy to last? So, for example, if you're using CBD to control epilepsy, you may need to take it for years or the rest of your life. But if you're using it just to handle an inflammatory or pain situation in your hand, you may just need it for a week or two. So we're going to address each one of those parameters: how many milligrams, how often each day, how to take the CBD, and for how long. And we'll get to all of that in subsequent videos. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you're interested. And thanks, John, and the folks at United Patients Group.